Today I will share how to make this color pop poster using clipping mask in Canva. So let's start with it. So I will go to social media and in here I will choose Instagram post with aspect ratio 4:5. I will use this image as it is free to use. So the keyword is beautiful young girl wearing a green hoodie. So this is a free to use image. You can use it for your own design also. So I will click on it, bring it in the canvas and just move it slightly upwards. Okay, and after that go to edit, scroll here to find tools, click on see all, click on magic expand and click on whole page and click on expand. So I will use this third one, click on done. Okay, now after that I will scroll down to find apps here and in search I will write clipping mask. Use the first app here and click on start masking. Use this. Now let's make it bigger. Now after that I will just mark the ends with the ruler so that it gets easier for me to adjust in the later phase. Okay, so the rulers are marked. Now scroll down, click on add to design. Okay, now adjust the image following the rulers and zoom it to adjust the final image. So this is adjusted. Now select the main image which is behind it, click on BG remover. Now after that select the main image, right click it, go to layer, bring forward. Okay, so when it is brought forward, now crop it till here and till here. Okay, now after that just zoom out and now I will change the background color. For this I will select this background color and scroll down and I will use this one, linear gradient. Now after that scroll up here, select this one and after that in the style part select this circular gradient. So now I will just put a shadow of this effect here. So I will just duplicate the page and I will first show you why I will not use the shadow app directly. So when I click on this shadows, click on see all and click on drop here. So as you can see the image got re-edited and moved here. So you need a lot of time to adjust here and it gets very hard to adjust. We use the arrow keys and move it here. So it gets very hard to do that. But the technique which I will show here, you need not to adjust this image. Just click on it, duplicate the main part. Okay, now just move it slightly down and in the right hand side. Okay, now click on edit, scroll down to find filters, click on see all, scroll all the way down to find duotone, click on custom, change both the highlights and the shadows to black color. Okay, now after that go to edit again, click on tools, click on see all, click on blur, click on whole image and change the intensity to 70. Okay, now after that click on this icon and after that go to transparency here, decrease this as per the image is required. So I will just keep it to 50. Okay, now after that select it, go to layer, send to back. Okay, so as you can see the shadow is applied. Now if you want, just move it according to the requirement of the image. Okay, so it is done, the drop down shadow, and you need not to move this main image layer. Okay, now I will select the face of the image, click on edit, and after that scroll down to find filters, click on see all, and scroll down to find poster. Here in color pop you have to select poster. Okay, make sure the intensity is 100, and after that go to adjust here and adjust the brightness, change it to 12, change the highlights to 15, change the whites to 25, and scroll down to find the saturation, change it to 55. Okay, now increase the brightness a bit, change it to 22. Now I will just copy this, copy the style and paste it here. And as you can see, the style is applied here. And this is how you make the color pop poster design using clipping mask. So I hope you like this tutorial, and please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to learn next. Thank you.